Combat-related special compensation is a tax-free monthly benefit that military retirees are entitled to. CRSC comes from 10 U.S.C. Section 1413A, and it is regulated by the Department of Defense Financial Management Regulation. When military service members are retired, they are going to get a retirement and typically some sort of VA compensation. But for those who may have medically retired, DoD retirement that they receive can be offset with VA compensation because there are federal laws that prohibit both of those from happening at the same time. However, combat-related special compensation is going to restore the offset. So for example, if the VA compensation is rated at 80% and 50% of that is going to be combat-related injuries, the combat-related special compensation payments are going to be at the 50% level. That tax-free money is going to then allow the service member to have their entire DoD retirement and the VA compensation that they're receiving.